17, we have a curve x square upon 4 plus y square upon 25 is equal to 1, that is ellipse. We have to find out the all points on the curve for which the tangent is parallel to x-axis and parallel to y-axis. We already discussed in the previous video that if tangent is parallel to x-axis, then slope is 0, and tangent is parallel to y-axis, then slope is infinite. Okay, let us start with the curve. Given curve, on differentiating with respect to x, what we have, derivative of x square is 2x, it is 2x upon 4, derivative of y square is 2y dy by dx and upon 25 is equal to derivative of 1 is 0, so it is 2 to the 4, then 2y upon 25 dy upon dx is equal to minus x by 2. This implies dy upon dx is equal to minus 25 x and 2 to the 4y. Now it is given in the question that in first part tangent is parallel to x-axis. If tangent is parallel to x-axis, then slope dy upon dx will be what? 0. Here it is the slope. This is what? Slope of tangent at any point. At any point xy. So this slope is equal to 0 when this tangent is parallel to x-axis. Means what we conclude, dy by dx is what? Minus 25 upon 4 x upon y is equal to 0. So this is 0 when x is equal to 0. ये तो इधर ट्रांसपोज होकर इधर 0 में हो जाएगा. Then what we get, x is equal to 0. Means if x is equal to 0, then we will find out the value of y by putting x is equal to 0 this equation. Then what we have, if we put here x is equal to 0, then this term will be 0. What is remaining? Y square upon 25 is equal to 1. This implies y square is equal to 25. And this implies y is equal to root of 25, that will be plus minus 5. So a required point at which tangent are parallel to x-axis. There are 2 points, x plus x is 0 and y is plus minus 5. Means x is equal to 0 के corresponding हमें दो values मिली. तो 0, 5 and 0 minus 5 will be the 2 points. Now the second part, in second part it is given that the tangent is parallel to y-axis. If tangent is parallel to y-axis, means dy upon dx is infinite, means minus 25 upon 4x upon y is equal to infinite. इसकी वैल्यू इनफाइनाइट कब हो सकती है? जब ये डिनोमिनेटर 0 और डिनोमिनेटर 0 है, इसका मतलब क्या है? y is equal to 0. 4 तो 0 नहीं हो सकता है, y is equal to 0. Then we will put y is equal to 0 in this equation. What we get? X square upon 5, x square upon 4 is equal to 1. ये पूरा टर्म 0 हो जाएगा. This imply x square is equal to 4 and this imply x is equal to plus minus 2. So require point at which tangent to given curve is parallel to y-axis is what? Plus minus 2, 0. On the basis of this question, you may solve the question number 7, 13 and 19 of the exercise. Example 18, we have to find out the equation of tangent to the curve, this curve, at a point where it cuts x-axis, where this curve cuts x-axis. So first of all, we will find out the point where this curve cut x-axis. So we know that at x-axis y is equal to 0. On x-axis y is equal to 0. So putting y is equal to 0 in the equation, y is equal to 0 in given curve, y is equal to x minus 7 upon x minus 2 and x minus 3. So if you will put y is equal to 0, then this will be what? X minus 7 upon x minus 2 into x minus 3 is equal to 0. So what we conclude, ये denominator तो 0 हो जाएगा, x minus 7 is equal to 0. Means x is equal to 7. So point of contact will be what? It is 7, 0. Now we have to find out the slope of tangent. So we will find out the derivative of this. So, on differentiating, y is equal to x minus 7 upon x minus 2 into x minus 3 with respect to x. See what we get? dy upon dx is equal to, using quotient rule, this will be x minus 2 into x minus 3 whole square. इसको स्क्वायर कर देते हैं, d स्क्वायर होगा. Then derivative of this, तो derivative of this is 1. x का 1 होगा, minus 7 का 0 हो जाएगा, तो 1 into this into x minus 2 and x minus 3 minus x minus 7 as it is into derivative of this. So we will find out the derivative by product rule. First of all, derivative of this is 1, so 1 into this, so this is what? X minus 3 as it is, plus this into derivative of this, so derivative of this is what? 1, so x minus 2 into 1 is x minus 2. ब्रैकेट लगाने की भी जरूरत नहीं, बीच में प्लस है. थोड़ा सा और सोल्व कर लेते हैं. x minus 2, x minus 3 minus x minus 7, ये तो एज इट इज. अब यहाँ x and x 2x हो जाएगा और minus 3 minus 2 minus 5 अपॉन x minus 2 whole square and x minus 3 whole square. अब x minus 2 इंटू x minus 3 से हम न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर में डिवाइड कर देते हैं, तो यहाँ होगा 1. इसे डिवाइड करें x minus 2 इंटू x minus 3 से न्यूमरेटर में, तो इससे डिवाइड करें तो 1 हो जाएगा. इसको डिवाइड करेंगे तो x minus 7 अपॉन क्या हो जाएगा? x minus 2 इंटू x minus 3, तो ये किसके इक्वल हो जाएगा? y के इक्वल हो जाएगा इंटू 2x minus 5 अपॉन x माइनस 2 होल स्क्वायर एंड x माइनस 3। ठीक है, आप ऐसा नहीं भी करें तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, आपको x की वैल्यू पुट करनी है, पुट कर सकते हैं। x की वैल्यू हमारे पास 7 है। ठीक है, यहाँ थोड़ी कैलकुलेशन आसान हो जाएगी, इसलिए मैंने ये कर दिया। यहाँ भी आप x की वैल्यू पुट करेंगे और यहाँ x और y की वैल्यू पुट करेंगे तो आंसर्स आपको सेम मिलेंगे। इसका मतलब आपका जो स्लोप है वो कितना हो जाएगा, स्लोप ऑफ टेंजेंट एट 7 0 will be what, dy upon dx at 7 0, this is 1 minus y, y is what 0, तो 0 into something is 0, लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है। x, x is what 7, 7 minus 2 whole square, 7 minus 3 whole square, तो 1 minus 0 is 1, 7 minus 2 is 5, 5 5 जा 25, sorry, ओनली ये डिवाइड किया हमने x माइनस 2 और x माइनस 3 से, तो यहाँ x माइनस 2 और x माइनस 3 बचा, स्क्वायर नहीं बचेगा। हमने यहाँ न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर में x माइनस 2 और x माइनस 3 से डिवाइड किया था, यहाँ x माइनस 2 और x माइनस 3 बचेगा, तो 7 माइनस 2 इज वॉट 5 और 7 minus 3 is what 4, so it is 1 upon 20. So slope of tangent is what 1 upon 20 and point is what 7 0. So equation of tangent, slope is this, point is this, y minus y0 is equal to m x minus x0 से फाइंड आउट कर लेंगे, तो y minus y0 is what 0, m is what 1 upon 20, x minus x0 is what 7, ये मल्टीप्लाई इधर हो जाएगा तो 20y minus 0 is equal to x minus 7, then it is what 20y minus x plus 7 is equal to 0, will be the equation of tangent. Example 19, we have to find out the equation of tangent as well as normal of this curve at point 1 1. So our given curve is x raised to the power 2 by 3 plus y raised to the power 2 by 3 is equal to 2. On differentiating it with respect to x, this will be 2 by 3 x to the power 2 by 3 minus 1 is minus 1 upon 3 plus 2 by 3 y raised to the power 2 by 3 minus 1 is minus 1 upon 3. But this is function of y, so we write dy by dx, and derivative of 2 is 0. Divide by 2 by 3 both sides, तो 2 by 3 कैंसिल हो जाएगा। इसको अगर ट्रांसपोज कर देंगे तो नेगेटिव हो जाएगा, माइनस एक्स रेस टू द पावर माइनस 1 अपॉन 3, और यहाँ बचेगा y रेस टू द पावर माइनस 1 अपॉन 3 dy बाई dx। तो dy अपॉन dx इज इक्वल टू x रेस टू द पावर माइनस 1 अपॉन 3 है, और y रेस टू द पावर भी माइनस 1 अपॉन 3 हो जाएगा। ये y रेस टू द पावर इधर आएगा तो माइनस 1 अपॉन 3, ये होगा x अपॉन वाई रेस टू द पावर माइनस 1 अपॉन 3, ये dy बाई dx की वैल्यू हो गई। अगर ये माइनस पावर को हम रिमूव करें, माइनस को रिमूव करें तो इसका रेसिप्रोकल हो जाएगा। जो लॉज ऑफ इंडिसेस और लॉज ऑफ एक्सपोनेंट्स में आपने पढ़ा होगा, ये 1 अपॉन 3, ये माइनस प्लस पावर हो गई, नेगेटिव तो रहेगा इसे। ओके, सो वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द स्लोप ऑफ टेंजेंट एट 1 1 एंड द इक्वेशन ऑफ टेंजेंट। सो slope of tangent at x is equal at 1 1 sorry will be what dy upon dx at 1 1, which is minus 1 upon 1 raised to the power 1 upon 3, that is minus 1. So we have the slope minus 1 and point is what point is 1 1. This is the point, and the slope is what? -1. So using 1 point slope form, y minus y0 is equal to mx minus x0. We'll put the values of y minus y0 is what? 1 is equal to m is what? -1, x minus x0 is what? 1. Y minus 1 is equal to minus x plus 1. x इधर ट्रांसफर हो जाएगा तो x हो जाएगा x प्लस y माइनस ये प्लस 1 है इधर आएगा तो -1 हो जाएगा तो -1 -2 is equal to 0 is the equation of tangent. This is the equation of tangent at point 1 1. Now secondly we have to find out the equation of normal. So first of all we will find out the slope of normal. Slope of normal is equal to -1 upon slope of tangent. At 1 1. Here also slope of tangent at 1 1. So this is -1 upon -1, that is 1. This is the slope of normal. Now equation of normal. Again we use this form. So y minus y0, y minus 1 is equal to, now the slope is m is 1 and x minus 1. So y minus 1 is equal to x minus 1, -1 cancel. You will get y is equal to x. Yeah, x minus y is equal to 0. Will be the equation of normal.
अगर आपने अभी तक हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो फौरन सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, साथ ही बेल आइकॉन पर क्लिक करें ताकि मजीद आने वाली वीडियो